To sleep without the fear to dream about you, my friend. To try to forget the past, dark and past, for me, for you. The time will soon erase my pain, the pain of this sudden loss. But you will always be my memories in my heart. I remember your eyes looking through this world with love. I remember your face, cheerful and hopeful. I miss you. I miss you, my friend. I hope to see you soon. Soon we will be together again. I remember your eyes looking into this world with love. I remember your face,